Okay, so we have an engine light on that shows there's a fault with the engine system somewhere. We've noticed the engine light on, and based on the scanner, OBD scanner we plugged in, it shows a misfire on cylinder 1. And the main effect is that during acceleration, when the engine's hot particularly, the car does a misfire and loses power, and after prolonged use it goes into limp mode. So based on the little bit of research on the internet, what we have found is they are suggesting to replace the injection coil on number 1 and see if it makes a difference, and while we're at it we'll have a look at the replacement of the plug. I've gone for the NGK, which is supposed to be exact OEM replacement for the original part, which is made by Bosch, and I will progress and see what happens. The NGK iridium based plug is the other one. Now if this was successful, I will go ahead and change the other 3 in the car just to keep it all even. So okay, so we'll start off by obviously taking this guy off, and we'll remove this cover. Hopefully we'll just unclip. It's important to note I've never done this before. I'm an IT person with no mechanical experience whatsoever. However, I've been around cars all my life. So the coil, I've just had to persuade it to come out. We'll take the connector off here, and hopefully it's a direct fit of the new one we just bought. Well, this is the original Bosch coil that has come out. Doesn't look too bad, looks pretty clean, but let's see how the new one looks. And the new one is a NGK replacement, and we'll show you that. Here are the two. This is on the gray one, is on the left is the original Bosch, and this is a replacement we have, which is NGK. They look identical, so we'll go ahead and change them and see if it gets rid of our engine code and the missing on cylinder 1. Okay, so we have read code. The vehicle has no fault codes. Perfect.